In this video, we explore the top 5 3D scanners for 2026 that are transforming design, engineering, and creative workflows. From handheld devices to professional-grade systems, each scanner offers unique features, precision, and versatility. Whether you are a designer, engineer, or hobbyist, these options are worth knowing. Let's dive into the details and see which scanner fits your needs. Number 5. Creality CR-Scanner. The Creality CR-Scan Otter is a handheld 3D scanner engineered for precision and versatility. It captures everything from tiny mechanical parts to full human bodies and large automotive components, delivering accuracy up to 0.2 mm at a working distance of 60 mm. Its 4-lens stereo vision system combines dual long focal lenses for small objects with dual short focal lenses for larger subjects, covering scan volumes ranging from 10 by 10 by 10 mm up to 2000 by 2000 by 2000 mm. Using infrared structured light technology, the scanner operates at speeds of up to 20 frames per second, ensuring smooth and efficient data capture. Built-in anti-shaking and one-shot 3D imaging enhance tracking stability, while fast backtracking maintains fluid handheld scanning. Unlike many scanners, it can scan black and metallic surfaces without requiring spray, expanding its range of usable materials. The CR-Scan Otter supports full-color, 24-bit scanning with dual white light emitting diodes for accurate color reproduction, even in low-light conditions. Its flexible alignment, modes geometry, marker, and texture allow precise integration into professional workflows. The device supports a BJ-STL and PLY formats and is compatible with both Windows and MacOS. It also pairs seamlessly with Creality printers like the K1 series, making high-quality 3D digitizing more accessible and efficient for designers, engineers, and creators. Pros: highly precise and versatile scanning. Cons: may require learning curve for beginners. Number 4. Revopoint MIRACO. The Revopoint MIRACO is a metrological blue light 3D scanner designed for professional modeling, measurement, and reverse engineering. It is optimized for small to medium-sized objects, offering precision up to 0.1 mm, accuracy up to 0.2 mm, and volumetric accuracy of 0.25 mm plus 0.5 mm multiplied by object length in meters. This high level of precision makes it suitable for industrial design, quality inspection, healthcare applications, and additive manufacturing. MIRACO offers 4 scanning modes for maximum versatility. The 14 crossline blue laser mode captures flat or featureless surfaces, including shiny and dark materials, at speeds of up to 800,000 points per second. 7 parallel blue laser lines focus on fine details and complex edges, while the full-field structured blue light mode projects 62 lines and captures up to 7 million points per second for rapid handheld scanning. An auto turntable mode provides one-click automated scanning with reliable point cloud and color capture. Equipped with industrial-grade laser projection, MIRACO achieves up to 30% more detailed point clouds compared to traditional systems. The included high-precision calibration plate ensures consistent accuracy across scans. RevoScan software supports point cloud creation, fusion, meshing, editing, and export in STLOBJ and PLY formats. Seamless integration with leading CAD and inspection software allows efficient scan to CAD workflows, making MIRACO a robust solution for professional 3D measurement, modeling, and reverse engineering tasks. Pros: exceptional precision and versatile scanning modes. Cons: optimized for small to medium objects only. Number 3. Revopoint MIRACO 3D Scanner. The Revopoint MIRACO is an all-in-one handheld 3D scanner that allows scanning and editing entirely on the device, without requiring a computer or mobile device. Files can be exported in PLY, OBJ, STL, AES, 3MF, GLT, F, or FBX formats through Wi-Fi 6 or Type-C connections, streamlining workflow for professionals. Powered by quad-camera infrared structured light technology, it achieves precision up to 0.2 mm and single-frame accuracy up to 0.5 mm, making it suitable for industrial design, reverse engineering, healthcare, and creative applications. Its innovative quad-depth camera system allows seamless switching between near mode and far mode during a scan. Near mode captures fine details on small objects, while far mode quickly records large surfaces, supporting scan volumes from 10 by 10 by 10 mm up to 4 by 4 by 4 meters. Working distances range from 100 to 1000 mm, offering great flexibility. A 48-megapixel RGB camera ensures realistic color texture capture, and the 2K 6-inch AMOLED touchscreen provides clear on-device visualization. The adjustable display rotates up to 180 degrees and supports selfie scanning for full-body or object captures. MIRACO balances speed and accuracy with single-shot mode for precise tracking and continuous mode reaching up to 15 frames per second. The built-in 5000 mAh battery supports up to 2 hours of scanning, making it a fully portable professional solution for high-quality 3D digitizing. Pros: fully portable and all-in-one. Cons: large object scanning can be slower. Number 2. Creality 3D CR-Scan Raptor. Creality CR-Scan Raptor is a high-performance, handheld 3D scanner designed for precise and efficient model capture. It achieves accuracy up to 0.2 mm at a working distance of 100 mm, making it ideal for intricate components and detailed surface geometry. The scanner offers 3D resolution from 0.2 to 2 mm depending on the mode, providing versatility for both fine detail work and broader surface scanning. The Raptor includes 2 scanning modes to suit different project needs. Blue light mode uses a 7-line laser system for high-resolution capture of smaller objects, while near-infrared binocular structured light mode is optimized for larger and more complex subjects. Minimum scan volume starts at 5 by 5 by 5 mm, while the maximum single capture range reaches 930 by 580 mm at a distance of 1000 mm. Speed and efficiency are key features. Blue light mode supports scanning at up to 60 frames per second, enabling rapid data acquisition for time-sensitive workflows. The integrated mechanical inertial measurement unit enhances tracking stability, ensuring smooth handheld operation. Connectivity is provided via Type-C and USB 3.0 interfaces for reliable data transfer. CR-Scan Raptor is compatible with Windows and MACOS systems, supporting OBJ-STL and PLY file formats. It integrates seamlessly into professional workflows for 3D printing, design, and reverse engineering, making it a versatile tool for engineers, designers, and creators requiring both speed and precision. Pros: high precision and fast scanning. Cons: large objects require multiple scan. Number 1. Creality Sermoon S1. Creality Sermoon S1 is a professional-grade 3D scanner designed for high-accuracy inspection and large-scale versatility. It combines blue laser technology with near-infrared structured light, capable of scanning objects from 5 by 5 by 5 mm up to 4000 by 4000 by 4000 by 4 mm. In blue light mode, Users can select a single laser line, 7 parallel lines, or 34 cross lines, achieving accuracy up to 0.2 mm and volumetric accuracy of 0.2 mm plus 0.8 mm per meter, making it ideal for detailed components and precise measurements. The scanner delivers impressive performance, capturing up to 1,428,000 measurements per second, with frame rates reaching 90 frames per second. A larger field of view per frame reduces the need for markers and enhances tracking stability, especially when scanning full human bodies or large components. Near-infrared mode provides accuracy up to 0.75 mm, supporting long-range scanning for bigger subjects with efficiency and reliability. An advanced 4-lens stereo vision system improves precision and enables marker-free face and body scanning. The scanner handles black or metallic surfaces without requiring spray, while built-in temperature compensation maintains consistent operation during extended use. Creality Scan 4. Zero software integrates intelligent processing, step-by-step guidance, and seamless compatibility with CAD/CAM and 3D printing workflows, making the Sermoon S1 a robust solution for industrial inspection, reverse engineering, and professional design applications. Pros: high precision and large-scale versatility. Cons: near-infrared mode is less precise than blue light mode. These 5 3D scanners for 2026 showcase the latest advancements in speed, accuracy, and versatility, catering to professionals and enthusiasts alike. Choosing the right scanner depends on your specific requirements, from fine detail work to large-scale projects. With these options, high-quality 3D scanning has never been more accessible or efficient. Make your pick and start creating.